So a few days ago, we had a live stream where a ton of new information came to light, which proves to me personally that tier ups will definitely return to normal and that all of you who deserve being tiered up will be rewarded soon. So I've cut together two clips from the live stream to explain why.
2 days ago, I seen an article. Now check this out, right? This at least to let us know a few things for the future. So Amazon, this is going to affect Etsy too, but basically Amazon has a few ways they make money, right? You got the e-commerce. So e-commerce on Amazon is about $500 billion with a B revenue a year. But the thing is, they only make about 6% profit on that, right? Mm-hmm. So then you got Amazon AWS, which is the tech company. Now that's their real bread and butter. They only make 30 billion a year on it, but it's mostly profit because it's digital, right? So they actually make way more money in profit off the tech company than they do off e-commerce. So e-commerce is actually not their biggest. It's the biggest revenue, but their lowest, I think 5 to 6% profit, which means they're not making the most on e-commerce. And just this year, I seen this article 2 days ago. Just this year, there is one of their sources of income is about to do $60 billion this year and surpass their profits of all other things that they get. And just think about that. This is the biggest company in the world up there with Apple and Microsoft, and they fight for that #1 spot in the world. So think about how much money we're talking about. And this Amazon company that is a tech giant has a new leader in what gets them the most profit. Do you want to guess what that is?
I have no idea. Do you, Philip?
It's not ads, is it?
Ads.
Is it ads?
Their #1 bread and butter, the biggest company on the planet, its #1 source of income is when you pay for ads.
Oh.
There's no cost to it, is there?
Look it up. This is brand new. $60 billion is what they already made. $15 billion in Q1. And this is going to be Amazon's focus from now on. And this answers the question, by the way, will we ever be replaced by AI? Not at all. Because AI don't pay for ads. So there's the answer to that. Their #1 bread and butter is us now.
No better business than selling pixels on a screen. That's literally what it is, right?
There's no cost. There's zero cost for putting your stuff on first page. This is a pure profit company. I looked up Etsy too. Etsy is at 30% of Etsy's revenue comes from ads.
What's up with Amazon merch not tiering people up for ages? I'm stuck in hell of tier 10 with 217 sales, sold 15 out of 20 designs in my 10 sales slots by rotation everywhere except Japan. Still no tier up. So first of all, I have heard of people getting tiered up still, so it's not that they're not tiering up anyone, but yeah, I mean, with your stats, I have no idea why you're not tiered up yet. That's ridiculous. Do you have any thoughts on that, Jose? Because I know you think about this stuff.
100%. If they're not tearing up, they're not ready to. They're still working on other things behind the scenes. And I'm not saying I know everything, but this comes from 8 years of being analytical. Amazon, they're always working on something. This program is always working on something. A few people got tiered up. My theory is that Amazon, remember, they're making money off the ads, and that's their focus. So the Merch by Amazon program is a way to get us to pay for ads. It's just an extra source of income for them. So they 100% have to and will get back to the normal tier up system. When that happens, we don't know, right? They're always going to throw us a bone. Like if you look at the coffee mug thing, hey, we got coffee mugs. No, we don't. Right. But they're like, hey, look, we're doing something for you to keep people wanting to come in. Amazon needs us to want to come in. So at some point, they have no choice but to start tearing up people like crazy. The minute people start getting tired of waiting, Amazon's going to be like, now's the time just to keep you from leaving. Right. They need us.
Yeah, actually, this is kind of strange because if ads is a massive driver for them of revenue or profit, they're making less people, or more people are going to stop using ads as much because of them doing all the Prime deals, right? That's cutting into people's profits, so people are going to slow down their budgets. So for Amazon, one way to solve that is to tier more people up, to give them access to ads. So why are they stopping tier ups and they're making it harder to use ads at the same time? Like, to them, it logically makes no sense.
Well, everything's in sequence. Amazon is a data company, 100%. So everything they do, I know when people say, oh, Amazon's so stupid. Amazon is the most intelligent company on the planet. All right. And everything they do, they're testing it for the bigger picture. We can't even dream of thinking the way they think and using the data they use. So right now they're testing something for whatever reason. We'll never know. But I promise you, the minute you're ready to quit, the minute you're ready to throw it all away, tear ups are coming. Because that's what they as long as they keep people in, they got data. People aren't stopping going to merch by Amazon and signing up. The minute people stop doing that, they'll do tear ups for sure. But trust, it's in the plans because it has to be. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
When? Nobody knows. But the minute they probably listen to everything we say, oh, people are mad at Amazon, Amazon throws a bone, right? Oh, you get all these products. Oh, can't quit now, right? And they're going to keep doing that. And the tear ups will come. And when they come, it's going to come in a big drive.
So there you go. I hope that gives you some hope. If you've been waiting for a tear up for a long time, they have to return to Amazon. It doesn't make sense if they stop it indefinitely. And thanks a lot to Jose for sharing this information with us. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. He's highly underrated. Check him out. And I'll also leave a link to the article that you mentioned in the description down below. And if you want to learn about a new upload hack that will help you publish new products as fast as possible, check out this tutorial next.